What's up, everyone? You already have your link cloaking system and you also know how this system works. Let us now go and set up the system and get it running. So the first thing that you're going to need is a domain name. This domain name is to be used with your link cloaking system, and you're going to cloak your affiliate links and then rank them on google.com and other search engines. Now you can use name.com or any other domain name registrar of your choice, but if you are just starting out, if you don't already have a domain name, then you can use a totally unused email address and then go to google.com and type in $1 GoDaddy coupons. That way you would be able to get a domain name for just $1, and you won't have to spend maybe $10 or $12 on a domain name. So that's one way of getting a domain name for just $1. Now, what kind of a domain name should you go for? Well, if you stick to the healthcare segment, then there are two different options. You can either go get yourself just one domain name, and then you can have multiple folders inside your domain name that can be used for all your different products. For example, maybe if you have an arthritis product, you can have your domain name xyz.com/arthritis. If you have a joint pain product, again, you can have xyz.com/joint pain. And your link cloaking system is actually going to allow you to do that. That is the entire purpose of the link cloaking system. It allows you to cloak your affiliate links. So you can install the link cloaking system on your domain name, and then it is going to allow you to mask multiple links depending on what package you brought and what link cloaking software you bought. So you don't need 10 or 15 different domain names if you want to actually promote 10 or 15 different products. You can use just one domain name, have the link cloaker installed, and then you can have multiple products using that same domain name. Now, I'm not going to talk about how to install your link cloaking system, because that would totally depend on the link cloaking system that you get. But in most of the cases, it usually involves hosting your domain name first, because link cloakers actually require some space. So the domain name that you buy has to be hosted first. And after hosting that, you are simply going to upload the link cloaker script onto your hosting. And your domain is going to start working with your link cloaking script. So you are going to get the installation instructions of your link cloaking system from the website that you get your link cloaker from. If you are using the free cloaker from the audiobook that I talked about earlier, then whenever you download the cloaker, you would have instructions on how to install that as well. So it's totally easy, anyone can do it, and I'm not going to be talking about that. So get your domain name first, and then host it, and then put up your link cloaker. Now, obviously, if you stick with healthcare related products, it's a good idea to get yourself a domain name that at least tells people that you are in the healthcare industry. Don't be super specific, don't talk about niches, just something related to the healthcare industry, that's all. Your domain name does not need to be fancy, a general domain name that just says that you are in the healthcare industry, that's it. Now, once you have your domain name and you have also hosted it and installed the link cloaking system, the next step is to actually go and cloak your affiliate links and start promoting them. So you are going to choose the products, and I've already talked about product selection in another lecture earlier. Take your products, get your affiliate links from either Clickbank or any other marketplace that you are using, and then cloak those affiliate links. Please don't worry about how to cloak your affiliate links. It's super easy. You just have to install your cloaker in a specific folder, and then you would have instructions on how to cloak your affiliate links. So follow those instructions related to whatever link cloaker you are using, and then you can start cloaking your affiliate links. That's the easy part. Now we are going to go ahead and we are going to submit our press releases. We are going to create our press releases and we are going to submit them. For that, my preferred service is Fiverr.com. Now, I know how to write press releases myself, and I've done it in the past, but most of the times I like systems that run on complete autopilot. So I go back to Fiverr.com for my press release needs. If you want, you can use Fiverr.com. If you don't want to do it with Fiverr.com, you can write your own press releases as well. Writing a press release is not very difficult, but obviously you have to have some writing skills. Now, when you are on Fiverr.com, I have just typed in here press release, and here you can see a lot of different people providing press release writing and distribution services at different price points. So let us just check out maybe this guy here, because this guy is offering this entire service, press release and distribution, for just $5. Let's go check him out and let's see what's on offer. Now, this guy is offering a basic package of $5 where he is going to write a 150-word press release for you, and he is going to submit that release to PR Buzz. Now, PR Buzz is a very popular press release distribution website, and if your press release makes it to PR Buzz, then you are going to get a lot of traffic. But the problem here is this area here. It says 150 words. You know what? You would be doing press releases related to products that solve immediate pressing needs of people. So if someone is suffering from maybe prostate cancer or arthritis or joint pain, those painful diseases actually require a bit more explanation than can be given by 150 words press releases. So it's a better idea to go for maybe 250 words. And if you ask me, my personal favorite is 400 words. Whenever I do press releases, I try to stick to the 400 word limit. I don't go above 400, but I try to remain between 350 and 400 words because that works best. So depending on your budget, you can try experimenting with these things. Usually the 400 word press releases are considered standard, and once your press release picks up momentum, a lot of different websites are actually going to take up your press release and they are going to publish that to populate their own websites. So a 400 word is a standard press release. So try to aim for 400 word press releases. Now, when you are getting someone to write press releases for you, tell that person that you need your affiliate links to be placed at least thrice inside the press release. Don't go overboard and don't start pasting your affiliate links throughout your entire press release. It's a good idea to stick to 3 different affiliate links in 3 different paragraphs across your entire press release, which is going to be 400 words long. Because if you have 3 different links inside your press release, then the person who is actually reading that press release is first going to take a look at the introduction paragraph, and then he is going to be introduced to your first affiliate link. He might or might not click on that affiliate link yet. In the second paragraph, he is going to learn about what the product has to offer. He would be more interested in your affiliate link then. And in the third paragraph, he would get into the conclusion part, and there he would be more interested in your affiliate link, and he's going to probably click on the last link and make a purchase. So it's a good idea to insert 3 affiliate links inside your press release. Now, if you are familiar with writing press releases, you would know how to do it yourself. If you are trying to hire people from Fiverr.com or other places, you just need to give them your affiliate links, and these guys are going to insert them inside your press releases. It's totally easy, and you just give them your affiliate links and they're going to do it for you. But always try to stick to 400 words at least. Okay? So that's it. Now I need to draw your attention to something super important here. You would see in the second package and in the third package here, this person says that he is going to write a 250 word press release, and he is also going to submit that to Google News. Now in general, Google News does not accept press releases from every Tom, Dick and Harry. I'll be very frank with you. But what happens is, whenever there is a news item that has gained a lot of popularity, Google News actually picks up that item and they publish that. And that is going to get you a boatload of traffic because a lot of people are subscribed to Google News for different kinds of products and different kinds of services. So you are going to get a lot of traffic. But I have seen this with Fiverr.com. There are a lot of sellers on Fiverr.com that claim to be able to do things that we generally can't even think of doing. For example, if this guy says that he is going to get your press release into Google News, then he probably knows what he's talking about, because if you take a look at his reviews, this guy has absolute 5-star reviews. So he seems to know what he's doing. If you ask me, it's not very easy to get into Google News. Your news item has to pick up a lot of momentum before Google News actually picks it up. But this guy says that he can actually get into Google News and he's going to do it for $45. So try to look for services on Fiverr.com that can offer you such exceptional stuff. This one, for example, is good stuff. Now, apart from Google News, there are other press release websites which are premium press release websites, and you might find people on Fiverr.com. I've seen people do this on Fiverr.com. They say that they would be able to get your press release inside press release directories that actually charge a monthly premium membership fee. But they are going to charge you maybe $50 or $60, and they are going to get your press release inside that press release directory. So, it's actually a good deal. If you try to do it yourself, the distribution alone is going to cost you maybe $300 per month. But if you find someone from Fiverr.com who can get it done for $60, then nothing like that. So go through Fiverr.com, look for press release writing services, and spend even more time into looking for press release distribution services. Check out what different sellers have to offer. The distribution part is even more important than writing. Your writing has to be fantastic, but if it doesn't reach out to a lot of people, then you are not going to make sales. So look for people who offer excellent press release distribution services and then hire them based on your budget. So that's it. Set up your domain name first. Then go to Fiverr.com and start distributing press releases. And please remember to insert at least 3 different affiliate links inside your press releases. That's how this works. So if you have 10 different products, you would obviously need a bare minimum of 10 different press releases because a single press release cannot have multiple products inside it. It's going to have only one kind of product. So the more number of products you have, the more number of press releases you are going to need. Having said that, I need to also tell you that if you want to have even more traffic than a single press release can bring you, you obviously have to create multiple press releases for a single product. For example, let us say that you create just one press release and that press release brings in maybe 5,000 visitors in 3 days. But suddenly you start looking for more visitors. You want more visitors. In that case, you would have to distribute multiple press releases around that same product. So this system is very much scalable. It totally depends on how much budget you have, how much time you have, and whether or not you are capable of writing your own press releases. If you ask me, when you are just starting out, don't aim too high. Okay, start out with 1 or 2 press releases, look at the results, and then probably you can go back to Fiverr.com and look for other sellers and see if you can find something better. So start doing it right now, and I can guarantee you, press releases are going to send in a boatload of traffic to your affiliate links, and you are going to make sales because the people who are reading these news items, they are looking for solutions to their problems, and they will want to try out your product. If the product is good, then they are not going to ask for a refund, and you are going to make consistent sales. So go ahead and implement this right now, and I can guarantee you, if you take action, this is really going to make you a lot of money. Thank you. I'll see you again in my next lecture.